Recursive rules are just basically what are you doing to get from one term to the next. If you're adding or subtracting, it's arithmetic, and if you're multiplying or dividing, it's geometric. So on this one, you always just put your first term here. So this is easy. This one's 2, that one's 9. For this one, you're always going to take the term before, a sub n minus 1, and you are timesing by 5. So you take 5 times a sub n minus 1. This one, we are always subtracting 4. So you take n sub minus 1 and then minus 4. So that's what they do here. You do 5 times the term that you're the term you have, so you can get the next term. And this one you're going to subtract 4 to get the next term. So we can let's just type in the first terms for both of them because we can get that just out of the way. Then we look at this one and say, okay, what are we doing to get from 14 to 26? If we're adding, it's going to be plus 12. So if we add plus 12, yeah. So we're adding 12. So we just type our little a sub, and then we write n minus 1. Do the right arrow, and then what do we say? Plus 12. Okay, then we look over here and say, okay, what are we doing here? Looks like we're timesing by a negative 10. So if we type in negative 10, oops, where am I? I didn't go over there. Negative 10 times, and we'll type our a sub n minus 1. So we just always put a sub n minus 1, and then we do what we're doing to get to the next one. So when we times by negative 10, we get negative 30 times negative 10 is positive. 300 is just going to be that the whole time. The a sub n minus 1 just says take the term before and do this, and you get the next term. And this one's 59. Okay, what are we doing here? It looks like we're dividing by 4. Divide by 4. So we could do a sub n minus 1. You have to do the right arrow before you click on divided by 4. And then this one looks like we're subtracting, maybe. 59 to 46 is minus 13. Minus 13, yeah, minus 13. So we do a sub n minus 1. Looks like one of them is geometric and one of them is arithmetic almost every time. So far it's been that way. Let's see. And one more. 2, 6, 18. This is geometric. Okay, wait, put our first term in before we forget. This one I think we're timesing by 3. Times 3, times 3, times 3. Yeah, so I'll just put 3. You don't have to put that button, do you? I'm just going to put a sub n minus 1. Then come over here, and we must be no, we're dividing by 2. This one's geometric too. Huh, that's the first time we saw 2 of the same. Don't forget, right arrow, divide by 2. Is that true? Divide by 2, yeah. Here we go, 2 geometric ones right after. As soon as I said we have one of each. Okay, that's the end of this video.